Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Telegram code. When you log in or register for Telegram, a unique verification code is sent to your registered phone number. This code is crucial for confirming your identity and ensuring secure access to your account. It's a straightforward process designed to protect your privacy and data. Make sure your device is connected to a reliable network to receive the code promptly. Most often, your Telegram verification code arrives as a text message or SMS to the phone number you provided. If for some reason the SMS doesn't come through, Telegram offers an alternative, a voice call. An automated system will call your number and read out the code. Always keep an eye on your phone's notifications and even check your spam or junk folders, as sometimes messages can be misdirected. If you're having trouble receiving your code, first double-check that you've entered your phone number accurately, including the correct country code. A simple restart of your mobile device can often resolve minor network glitches, allowing the code to come through. Remember, there's usually a short waiting period, often around 2 minutes, before you can request a new code, so be patient. Sometimes, if you're already logged into Telegram on another device, like a tablet or computer, the verification code might be sent directly to that active session within the app itself. If all else fails and you've tried every step, reaching out to Telegram's official support team is your best bet. They can provide personalized assistance to help you regain access to your account securely and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.